Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited for today's video. I have tons of cleaning motivation coming your way. If you guys can comment down below, say hi, that'll let me know that you are here, and also let me know how you're doing. So I'm so excited for today's video because we got some deep cleaning tasks that we need to do around the house, along with a new cleaning tool that I am using today. So excited to share with you guys.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
I do hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day. I did not post a Sunday reset on that day, but I am posting a new one this Sunday. I'm really excited to share a new Sunday reset with you guys. Those are always so fun to make, and we do a lot of fun things in that video. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time that you have seen one of my videos and you are enjoying it and getting cleaning motivation from it, please consider hitting that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So what I'm using to clean my coffee table and end table is one of the papaya cloths. Those are antibacterial cloths that you just have to add water and you can go ahead and wipe and clean everything. If it's a little bit more of a mess, then I will add some dish soap on there and just go ahead and clean it with the soap and the cloth.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way.
So now we're gonna go ahead and move my kitchen rug and start vacuuming the floors. After that, we are gonna go ahead and steam mop these floors for the first time. So stay tuned for that. So today I am sharing my new Light and Easy steam mop. I was so excited to team up with Light and Easy today to try out one of their models of steam mops. They have a whole collection and this one was just so easy to put together. It is lightweight. They also have the cord clip, which is useful and handy so you can wrap your cord there and not have it dangling and getting in the way. It does have a on-demand high, medium, and low steam setting, and that that fits for various sealed floor surfaces, including hardwood floor, grout, tile, vinyl, marble, ceramic, and more. And my flooring's laminate, so I was so happy to hear that it was even safe for my floors. You only need water to clean, which is really nice. It has the intuitive smart switch, so you just drop it in a upright position for steam cease during brief breaks, and it protects the floor. So it'll just basically like seize, it will not steam, and it just stands up alone, which is nice. You don't have to lean it up against a counter or the wall or anything like that. So it also detaches to a handheld steam cleaner, which I thought was amazing. You can use that in your shower, around your toilet, or even on your windows. It comes with a variety of attachments like a squeegee to clean your windows, and then also different brushes and an extension hose. So I will be showing you guys a little bit later in the video how I use it to steam with the handheld part of the steamer. I will make sure to add their link in the description box just in case you're in store for a steam mop. I do recommend this. I absolutely love the feature that this is like a 2-in-1. You can not only steam your floors, but it also has that handheld where you can steam and deep clean all through your home.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of.
So I'm using my Clorox wand to clean the inside of my toilet, and what I do is just kind of close the toilet and let it sit there for a second so I can grab my trash can, dump it in the trash, and then I always clean the actual wand. I will use some spray with a paper towel, or today I just went ahead and used some of those cleaning wipes.
Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my
So now we're going ahead and using the handheld part of the Light and Easy steamer. And as you can see, they have these different attachments. So this one is like a smaller pad. You can get into the corners of your walls, all the areas that you can't fit that bigger head in, and you can use this on your shower glass doors. You can use the squeegee with the steamer on your windows. So many different attachments for different uses, for different purposes and uses around your home. So now we're going to go ahead and clean up the stairs. This is kind of a catch-all space for me, either when I'm picking up downstairs in the living room. I'll put these toys here so I can quickly take them upstairs, or we'll drop our bags here. Just random stuff that really needs to be put away that hasn't got put away. So we're cleaning up this catch-all space. We're going to vacuum the stairs. I'm also going to wipe down the walls with this Zep foaming wall cleaner.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. type. Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. Yeah, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate all of you guys. Make sure you say hi down in the comments so I know that you were here. Definitely check out Light and Easy if you're in store for a new steam mop or you've never tried one and you're looking for one that is affordable. I would definitely check this one out. And I will see all of you guys in my Sunday reset. Bye, you guys.